Thanksgiving Day is a holiday celebrating the harvest and blessings of the past year. Most people take this amazing day to help those in need and to spend quality time with family and friends. However, what are some of the craziest traditions that people do this time of year? Hello and welcome to BAM Top Lists. I'm your host Philip, and today we'll be taking a look at the top 10 craziest Thanksgiving Day traditions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our lists. Leave a comment down below if you're going to try in these wicked, crazy, cool traditions. Now let's get started. Coming in at number 10, we have turkey bowling. Yup, exactly what it friggin' sounds like. Why use a traditional bowling ball and pins to play the game when you could use a friggin' frozen turkey as a bowling ball and empty water bottles as pins? This tradition started back in 1988 at Newport Beach at Lucky's Grocery Shop. They would use the grocery store alleys as a runway for bowling. When the news broke out of the grocery shop, many people started this damn friggin' cool tradition in their own homes and other grocery stores. Thought it would be a good idea to bring their communities together, and looks like it could be a lot of fun, especially because this frozen turkey is not 100% round. You have no idea which direction it's gonna go. Number 9, we have turkey toss. Alright, now this one is too good to leave out. Have you ever wanted to throw a turkey into the night sky to see how it look? Well, in Indianapolis, a group of guys were bored one Thanksgiving day and thought it would be a friggin' cool idea to take this damn turkey and put it into a baby onesie, soak it in lighter fluid, attach a long string around the turkey, lighting it on fire, and throw it as far as they can along the length of a football field. These group of guys were discussing how cool it would be to take this damn turkey and see a flaming turkey in the night sky. This has become an annual tradition. Don't try this at home. Zooming in at number 8, we have cracking the wishbone. Have you ever wanted to wish upon a star? Or made a wish on your birthday and it would never come true? Well, now here's a way to make your wishes even more realistic. This tradition dates back to the ancient Romans, where after they were done eating their turkey, they would take this amazing cool wishbone out of the turkey and make a wish. Whoever broke off the bigger piece of the wishbone is said to have their wishes come true. But keep in mind, this wishbone has to be completely dry for it to snap properly. What would you wish for? Let us know in the comments down below. Alright, smashing into number 7, we have Thanksgiving Day Smash. Now, you might be wondering, do you smash turkeys? Oh, heck no. But it does sound like it would be a lot of fun. But this is completely different. Animals at the Santa Barbara Zoo in California like to get their animals involved with the whole Thanksgiving Day tradition by having their animals explore what pumpkins are and to have visitors come and watch them. You would be surprised how animals at the zoo interact with their pumpkins. Number 6, we have pardoning a turkey. Back in 1947, this day was known as the National Thanksgiving Turkey Presentation, founded under the Truman administration. President Ronald Reagan was the first president to pardon a turkey. Honestly, that is phenomenal. So that this turkey would not be eaten on this day. However, presidents after Reagan would eat the turkey that was presented to them. This has become an annual event. Back in 1988, President George W. Bush used this tradition and made it an official national tradition for Thanksgiving. Running in at number 5, we have turkey trout. You ever feel that you need to go for a big run before you stuff yourself with this big turkey? That's exactly what's happening here. It's where people dress up in turkey costumes and run a race to the finish line. This tradition started back in 1896 from Buffalo, New York, and to this day this tradition has spread all across America, where people would raise money for the local charities to help those in need. Now, we should have a tradition to take a run, workout, or anything after eating a turkey too. I wonder how long this will last. Number 4, we have Turkducken. What is Turkducken? Kind of sounds like a superhero or something, right? Well, maybe this could save a lot of people from being hungry. Basically, what it is where you debone a turkey, step 2, stuff the turkey with a deboned duck, step 3, and then stuff the duck with even more turkey and cook it. Many people do this as a way to have many leftovers for their family and friends, or even give a meal to those less fortunate. I'm sure it's delicious. I mean, this is a true superhero meal. Eating our way into number 3, we have the turkey eating competition. Now, you might be wondering, what is this crazy tradition? There are many food eating competitions out there. What makes this one so special? Well, turkey eating competitions dates all the way back when Thanksgiving started. It's also known to be one of the biggest eating competitions in the world. People would gather together and eat as much turkey as possible in a limited amount of time. Well, right now, a man named Joey Chestnut holds the title for eating 9 pounds of turkey in less than 10 minutes. I wonder how long it took him to digest that food. I guess we'll never find out. I'm very happy we're never going to find out. Coming in at number 2, we have Black Friday. Why is this Black Friday on the list, you ask? Well, it's known to be one of the craziest traditions of the year. I mean, even more than Christmas shopping. Black Friday is where people would go and save as much money as possible, especially for those people that don't have a lot of money to spend. It's a way for the companies to give back for the amazing year that they've had, to celebrate thanks for their customers. This is also known to be one of the most dangerous times to shop in the US. because of all the shoppers fighting for the last item in stock. Black Friday has the most reported cases of crimes every year. Maybe you should try online shopping. Might be a safer bet. I mean, there's Amazon and stuff like that. Might as well try that, right? I mean, unless you're brave enough to go Black Friday shopping. Alright, coming at number 1. We have Thanksgiving was founded by Canadians first. Yeah, that's right, Canadians. Canadians were the first people to celebrate Thanksgiving. This dates all the way back to 1578 when explorer Martin Frobisher had his first voyage to Canada. When he lost his ships along the way to Canada, he had a huge celebration giving thanks that he made it to the country safely in Nunavut. Many years later, the US had their first record Thanksgiving Day in 1621 between the Pilgrims and the Native Americans in Polymouth. This is the only reason why Canada and US have 2 different dates to celebrate their Thanksgiving traditions. And that's it for today's list on the top 10 crazy Thanksgiving Day traditions. Which one of these traditions are you going to try out? I mean, let us know in the comments down below. I mean, we really want to know. Also, please help us out by giving this video a like and subscribe. I'm your host, Philip, and I will catch you in the next video.